Okay, 8th graders, this is going to be lesson 2 of chapter 5.8, Similarity and Indirect Measurement. It's going to be pretty much the same thing as we did in lesson 1, except here I've chosen to show you an example A, how to handle an inscribed triangle. I always recommend that students actually split it out and draw 2 different triangles. The building is going to be X and its shadow is 104 feet. And then the smaller, probably a 6-foot tall person, it's going to be compared to it, for example, 6 feet, and the shadow there is only 8 feet. And if you recall, those are right triangles. Now remember, we need to set up the correspondence between 2 different triangles. X corresponds to X, and 104 corresponds to the 8. I'm going to simply use cross products. 8 times X, and 6 times 104 is 624, and divide both sides by 8, so X is going to be 78 feet. In this particular diagram, for example B, we've had something very similarly to it. It was kind of like our stadium and our river problem in lesson 1. Here are the right angles. Now we need to set up the correspondence. And the correspondence here is X is to 50 as 55. Oops, let me get the labels in there. Kilometers is to 40 kilometers. Now in this one, I would actually choose to reduce it because the numbers are pretty reducible by 5. This is going to be 11. This is going to be 8. Now I have 8x equals 550. Solve the equation by dividing both sides by 8. 8 into 55 isn't quite 7, so it's going to go 68.75 kilometers. So this is a bit of a review of lesson 1, and this completes lesson 2. Scouting out.